morning! Today is our 7th day here in Vietnam. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Mai, Hanoi. And ito-try natin yung famous egg coffee nila here, which is sa coffee shop na Cafe Giang. So, ito-try natin yung egg coffee nila on my last day here in Vietnam.
Hello.
Come on. Tapos yung Cafe Giang is sa second floor. Try their egg coffee. Ang pait niya, shoot. And that's it. At least na-try natin yung kape. Kahit sobrang pait. Hindi ko na siya inubos kasi yun yung first try ko. First meal for today. So baka sumakit yung tiyan ko. So hindi ko na inubos. isama to sa inyong plans and activities here in Hanoi, especially sa mga mahilig sa arts, paintings, and other. Magugustuhan niyo talaga dito kasi sobrang ganda, sobrang tahimik, at the same time wala masyadong tao kasi hindi siya tourist attraction for the others. Kasi mas more on there sa Hanoi is, aside from Old Street, St. Joseph Cathedral, is mas focus nila yung mga coffee shop hunting. So if you wanna go here in Hanoi, you should try to visit their cultural center. Tapos ang ganda, ito yung painting is Old Street. Ganda. Then, isa to sa pinaka nagustuhan kong painting sa loob ng exhibit. Ganda. Ito rin yung isa sa pinaka gusto ko sa paintings na nandito. Kasi napaka-colorful niya. The other side. Hintay ng Bunsha here sa Main Street. Yeah, come on. Nakarap. Authentic siya guys kasi sa literal na sa kalye-kalye lang tayo kumakain. As in sa kalye lang. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung nirecommend ng friend ko na Bunsha, malapit daw sa Highlands. Kasi masarap daw yung ano nila yung Bunsha nila dito. And for me, masarap yung Bunsha nila. Kasi sa lahat ng Bunsha na natikman ko, ito yung may soup na kasama. Kung saan sinasawsaw yung mga meat, yung sotanghon, and other ingredients na hindi lasang suka. Yung ibang Bunsha kasi dito sa sa Vietnam, ang lasa nung soup niya is parang suka. Medyo maasim-asim. Hello mga kapuso, naliligaw na naman po tayo dito sa may Hanoi, Vietnam. It's a long marathon run. It's really good here. Nakaka-amaze. Ang ganda dito. Wow.
factory outlet, just like a you have a postcard.
Oh, because your shirt is really good. It's very nice.
All of these are designed by our owner. He's a very famous local artist in Vietnam.
Oh,
You want to check Instagram up here.
all the shirt?
Yeah, everything is designed by him.
So, bibili lang tayo ng pagkain bago tayo pumunta ng airport. Kasi for sure kung mahal dito sa Hanoi, mas mahal sa airport. Although 3:05 PM pa naman yung flight ko, pero syempre, kailangan mas maaga, lalo mag-isa ko lang. Hindi ko alam kung paano yung process ng pag-alis dito, yung flight, ganun, Turbanes. And we're leaving now. We're leaving Hanoi. Wala tayong airport. Tapos next is Ho Chi Minh. So ito, para na naman tayong lumayas. Backpack. Mga gamit ko, tapos may isa pa akong backpack. So mukha na naman akong pinalayas.